So I accidentally burnt a pizza, as you see here. Look at this. So I have this device, special oven I invented. It's called a 3/4. It takes away 3/4 of the burnt. It uncooks 3/4 of it. So there's a price to pay. You lose a slice of pizza when you do it. So let's turn it on. Oven's on. Okay. Put the pizza in the oven. Put the pizza in the oven. Close it up. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Shut it back off. Grab the pizza back out. There it goes. It's no longer burnt. Looks perfect. It took away an extra piece, though. I'm ashamed. Ripping me off. So, cooking lessons.